I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video, where I'll take you on a journey to explore the vibrant nightlife of Praia da Rocha in Portugal. In this 4 Kelvin tour, we'll experience the excitement of beach parties and the enchanting beauty of the city by night. Before we start, I'd like to request you to click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support means a lot to me, and it motivates me to keep creating more amazing content like this. Now let's dive into the adventure.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Praia da Rocha is a paradise for those who love beaches, sunsets, and parties. As the night falls, the city transforms into a hub of excitement and entertainment. The lively atmosphere, breathtaking views, and warm hospitality of the locals make it a must-visit destination. As we walk along the streets of Praia da Rocha, you'll notice the vibrant nightlife with clubs and bars filled with people from all around the world. The city's young, lively, and cosmopolitan atmosphere makes it the perfect place to let loose and have some fun. One of the main highlights of Praia da Rocha's nightlife is the beach parties. The sound of music, the cool sea breeze, and the sand between your toes create an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting travel videos. Thanks for joining me on this amazing journey to Praia da Rocha's beach parties. Until next time, happy traveling.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.